Want to know how to check your trading activity or transaction activity or history in MoonPay? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your MoonPay application. And now once you have done that here, you should be welcomed with this home menu right here. If you don't, make sure you are logged in. So we have also created a video on how to log into your MoonPay application, so make sure to watch it. Now once you have done that, seeing your activity or your history is pretty simple. Right here below, you should be seeing your navigation bar right here on your phone, and on the bottom right side you should be seeing an activity tab that should be right with a clock icon. So you can just simply select activity, and here you should be seeing your trade history or your transaction history. So if you have done any transaction with your bitcoins or ethereum and much more, as you can select it from off top right here, so you will be seeing it, and that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily check history in MoonPay. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.